This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel, double check your notifications are on, and if you comment or like, make sure it's working properly, because these bad actors are doing everything in their power to suppress the channel, suppress the videos, because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Listen, everyone knows that SEC is considering approving IEX. And IEX is going to change the entire game, because they are going to install speed bumps. Speed bumps that will put an end to the edge that Citadel has with their high-frequency trading. Citadel and the other buddies. Do you know what Citadel did? Citadel says that they and Charles Schwab look out for the interests of retail investors. Would you believe that? Citadel, who's been fined millions of dollars over the years from doing things that are contrary to the interests of retail investors. Charles Schwab, who has been fined for doing things contrary to the rules, contrary to retail investors, is claiming that they look out for the interests of retail investors. Citadel looks out for Citadel and nobody else. Okay, Citadel wants the SEC to deny the IEX because the IEX takes away Citadel's advantage. They put a 350 millisecond speed bump in place that takes away that advantage that Citadel has to trade ahead of retail investors, and they do not want to lose that edge. Citadel is already hanging on by their fingernails with the trillions in derivatives, the shares sold not yet purchased, and all the other financial issues that they're going through. If they were to lose that edge with the high frequency trading, Citadel demise would come about even faster. Okay? Citadel, in my opinion, is in deep trouble financially. They putting on a show. You know, that water war stuff where you act strong when you're weak. Citadel is weak, in my opinion. Weak. And they trying to appear that they're strong. And if the IEX is approved, that means Citadel loses that edge with their high-frequency trading, which makes them even weaker, which means less revenue for them, which means Citadel's demise comes even sooner. But the fact that Citadel and Charles Schwab had the audacity to say to the SEC that they protect the interests, or they represent the interests of retail investors, is absolutely ludicrous. But we know that the SEC does not care about the needs of retail investors either. So maybe the SEC might adopt this ideology and allow Citadel and Charles Schwab to represent the needs of retail investors and not allow the IEX platform the license to operate. Okay? And I hope that doesn't happen. I believe IEX is of great benefit to retail investors, great benefit to pension fund, great benefits to institutions that follow the rules. Citadel and Charles Schwab, they do not represent the needs of retail investors. They represent the needs of themselves. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that Citadel and Charles Schwab represent the needs of retail investors? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.